Good morning everybody, I'm in a lovely little place called Woking, that's right. I've just finished 2 shows locally in a school and then I'm here, so I thought let's have a little look around this town and see what Woking has to offer. So it's actually my first time I've ever been in Woking. I've performed locally a few times at some of the local schools. We've never actually been into the town centre, so this is kind of a new one for me. I'm going to have a little mooch around. But first impressions, I just see, well, I don't know if it's a particular street I've walked up, but yeah, it's literally just food outlets, not chain ones particularly. Well, McDonald's, there was a Taco Bell, but yeah, mostly just food outlets, kebab shops, vape stores again. So yeah, that's first impressions, but let's continue to have a little look around. Who's this chap? So just in the town centre, super nice to see actually that all the shops are open. Not like a lot of the other towns that I go and visit. What's that, mate? Is it, what's Woking like? Is it, I'm literally not from around here. Is it a good place to live or?
I mean, it's a good place to live if you live in like outer Woking. Inner Woking is a bit weird sometimes.
Why is it weird?
A lot of like drug addicts.
Really? Right.
But outer Woking is very nice, like countryside. If you go to like down there, you go to like the common.
Okay.
Just loads and loads of fields and lakes. It's really nice.
Oh, really beautiful. Okay,
like
cool.
A few local pubs.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. But in Woking, there's one saying: there's only spoons.
What is this?
The only thing to do is go.
Wetherspoons, right? I think I've gone past it. Really? What a night like for young people then? That's really.
You can go to the arcade, but they close like 7 or 8.
Okay.
Which is super because when you finish work, they close.
Yeah.
Any outer Woking place is always a lot better than
okay. Yeah.
It looks nice, but it's not nice when you're good for more than
No,
2 weeks.
no. It's okay on the outskirts, basically.
I mean, the town's okay.
Yeah.
It's just like a normal kind of light town. But the outskirts are very, very nice. We get like the private roads and the local pubs and stuff. That's where.
Yeah. Okay. Did you work here then? Do you? Is it?
My friend was studying with him.
Okay. Cool. Right, well, I'm gonna go and have a little look at the Martian tripod thingy. Is that round?
Actually, near the church.
Yeah.
Follow the church that way. Just keep walking down. You can actually see it.
Okay. Cool. Nice to meet you, man. What's your name?
Elias. What's your name?
Dave. Cheers, buddy. Take care, mate. What a top lad, filling me in on what it's like as for a younger person to be living here in Woking. And well, basically, if he didn't come up on camera, he says that it's full of drug dealers in the town and it's to stay away. And the only thing to do is Wetherspoons. But yeah, I'm sure it's not too bad. But here's another one of these sculptures that we've keep coming across. This guy looks a bit, kind of looks like the same guy, but maybe dressed a bit smarter. Who knows? Right, we've got a little market down here. Always love a little market. Let's see what bargains they have down here. Victoria Place Market Walk. Let's go and have a little look around. Everything looks really nicely well displayed and looks like really good quality fruit and veg down here. Prices seem reasonable too. How come, for someone who doesn't shop in markets, how come these are cheaper than Aldi then and Lidl?
Because we buy it in bulk.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
We didn't say such bulk, such quantity.
Yeah.
We can afford to go cheap.
Yeah.
Don't work a lot of profit either. We don't
No.
just sell turnover.
Yeah, fair enough.
Our bulk's 3%.
Yeah.
So it costs you £1, it costs 80 pence to us.
Okay.
But I sell 1,000 per day.
Yeah. And you're nice and busy and it looks all good. Perfect, I'm well
That's
happy.
why we don't mind earning very little.
Yeah.
But the turnover's so quick.
Yeah.
We can afford to.
Perfect. Oh, nice one. Oh, good. Better if people pay cash as well, is it? Yeah. Lovely. Oh, lovely, mate. That's perfect. I'm well happy.
All good quality, it's all fresh, so, you know.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong.
No, lovely. Cheers, mate. Oh, you have a nice day. Cheers, buddy. Well, there we go. 5 avocados and a big bunch of grapes for £2. Absolutely bargain. Jubilee Square. And that's a little market stall. Bloke was really nice, friendly. Explained why things were so, affordable for people. But yeah, happy days. Hi guys, I just want to take a quick break from the video just to ask you to like this video, comment, and of course subscribe to my page. I want to carry on doing them, so I need your help. Right, let's go back to the video. Right, so here we are in the centre of Woking, and this little fella is just sat in the street. This is called the Martian. The reason being is Woking has a really strong connection with the writer of the book The War of the Worlds, written over 100 years ago by H.G. Wells, and he was from Woking. He lived in Woking and apparently wrote the book here as well. And there is an area, the common up the road there is about 10 minutes drive, I think. It's a place where the Martians first arrived. Now that story has been adapted a few times. I think the latest was by Tom Cruise was in it. He was the star of that. Was like about 10 years ago or something, or just off the top of my head. But yeah, this here is one of the Martians commemorating the connection of Woking with the sci-fi world. The first, most famous, maybe not the first, but the most famous sci-fi films ever written based here in Woking. How interesting. Do you know much about this sign here, this post?
What, Martian?
Yeah, yeah.
It's been here for years.
Oh, has it been over here? Right,
Yeah.
okay. Do you know what it's for?
What?
What the Martian's for? What it?
It's to do with H.G. Wells.
That's it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, cool. So there we have it, a nice little statue for H.G. Wells here in the centre of town, right by the office block, where everyone's coming out for a little ciggy smoking break. But yeah, when they can have their cigarette, they can sit and look at him. Right, we're going to head over now. Probably our final stop here. I'm only here for a little while in Woking. But it's been nice walking around the town, but we're going to go and try and see if I can locate this canal, which I think is just over here. So we'll go and have a little look at that. Let's wait for these lights. There, guys, you all right? So here we are, the final stop in Woking, a whistle-stop tour of this town. And yeah, it's a nice little area, this canal area. Looks a bit grotty, to be fair. But yeah, there's a couple of canal boats up here, I think. But yeah, we'll have a little look around. But yeah, final stop here in Woking. It's a bit of a shame this is shut. This little boat here turns into a cafe, but closed on a Monday, which today is Monday. And yeah, really beautiful. Looks super nice. Have a little coffee down here on the side. Also available for events as well. Beautiful. Shut. Have you had a coffee here before, have you? Or?
Never had a coffee there.
No.
I don't know what days it opens actually. Is it not written on it? No.
Yeah, it's shut on a Monday. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay, then so it's open the rest of the week.
yeah,
It's obviously open the weekend.
yeah.
Then they get more. I've never had a coffee there, to be quite honest.
No, okay. That's a shame. Yeah. Do you live in Woking, do you?
I live in St John's.
Okay. Yeah. Listen, you have a nice day, mate. Anyway, take care. Right, that's me done here in Woking. My time is done. I was only here literally just an hour and a half just after my show. I've got to get back down to Seaford. But yeah, it was nice chatting to a few people, filled me in. It's nice to explore, have a look around. Quite a mixed range of new shops, sort of vape shops, cafes, Turkish barbers. But yeah, not too bad. Thank you very much for watching this here in Woking today. Like my page, it's Tricky Travels UK, and I'll see you in another town.